Hey guys, welcome back. Well, we've picked a kit to do, and we're going to tackle this Revell kit. It's a 56 Chevy Delray 2-in-1 kit. Probably one of my favorites is the 56. Out of the 55, 56, and 57, 56 has always kind of struck this chord with me that that's probably my favorite. So we're gonna do this baby up. It's a 2-in-1 kit. You can build it custom or stock. I don't build much stock, so we're gonna kind of go this custom trend again. Don't like the custom wheels that come with the kit, so we're gonna change those up. What else? We're gonna two-tone it. I'm not sure of the color yet because I haven't decided on the wheels that I'm gonna put on this kit. Let me get the box out of the way, and we'll kind of run through where we are, which really isn't very far. Hold on. Oh, we knocked over our sponsor. Oh my God. They'll be hell to pay. What do we got? Oh, body. Ta-da! Let's get you down. Hold on. Up. All right, we're just kind of going through mock-up and test fitting and figuring out suspension, and kind of got motors started to get glued together and dry fit some stuff and get ready for putting some of our pulleys and goodies on to dress the motor up. Suspension, yeah, you can either run it either a stock height or I want to call it lowrider height, but it's lower than what stock is. So we're probably going to, guys know me, I like them low, so we're going to get this baby down in the weeds here. I'm at a crossroads. I need to decide on what kind of tires I want to run. So I'll kind of run through some choices that I've got. It's a half-decent kit by the looks of things. Separate door panels, which I like because you can get in there and do some more detail than a one-piece tub interior. What else? The rest of the kit's kind of basic. I'm not going to run through what's in the box, but it's a Revell kit, and it looks like a half-decent one right out of the box from what I've seen. And cutting things off of trees, there's not a lot of flash on it, and it looks pretty good. So we've kind of mocked up some different tires and wheels. So I've got my aluminum wheel rings that I sell on the site. We've added to these hubcaps to kind of give them a deep dish look. It's kind of a radial spoke. I kind of like that look. And we got a set of 4 of those. Or we're going to use maybe some white walls with some different wheels that I have in my stash that I've saved over the years. Actually don't mind those in a get them down low kind of look. We got to do a bit of trimming on the backside to get that tucked under there, but that we're kind of working stuff out. Don't mind that look. What else we got? Oh, we got some flat aluminum ones that I machined just with some Chevy dog dish hubcaps on them. Don't mind that, but that's pretty plain for this car. The other one I'm leaning towards is the ones that I've put my machined aluminum wheel rings on, and some Chevy SS hubcaps that I got to a stage on one car, I forget what it was, and used some Tamiya clear blue and highlighted the 3-spoke on it, the hubcap, and the indentations around the outside of the wheel. And I kinda am leaning towards something like that. Let's get the light down. Maybe you can see what I'm trying to show you. Kind of like that. And I don't mind that look, actually. It's not like total bling bling, but it's kind of subtle, and it kind of looks it's kind of that mild hot rod kind of a look. So I'm kind of leaning towards these. The only problem is that, of course, I've already painted them blue, so the car is going to have some blue in it. And we just finished doing the GTX in blue, and I really didn't want to do a blue one this soon. But anyway, if we choose these, which I'm leaning towards, the car is going to be probably a two-tone blue and something, blue and silver, blue and white. Haven't decided yet. Motor, we just got kind of block halves and heads glued on, oil pans on. Got one of my machined aluminum oil filters I've just kind of tacked on there for now. Next thing to do is get the timing cover on it, the water pump, and start working out geometry on where I'm going to mount the alternator. I think it's a generator in this kit, if memory serves me. And I think it goes on the driver's side of the motor. I'll have to look at the instructions again. Regardless, we're either going to use the bracket it came with, or we're going to cut that off and drill a hole through the generator and use some brass rod or brass wire and make our own bracket up. You guys have seen me do that before. So that's kind of where we are, boys and girls. It's early stages, and yeah, I just can't make up my mind on wheels. Kind of like that look too. It's kind of got that old school kind of look with more of a modern kind of a wheel attached to it, as long as you get it down low enough. I don't mind that, actually. Yeah. Or we go with these ones and get it down like so, and down like so. I don't mind that look too. It's kind of got that mild hot roddy. We're not going too wild with this one. Not going to stand up. Nope, it's not going to stand up. Like that. Or we go with these babies. Oh dear, look out. Look out, look out. Gangway coming through. Kind of that. Hey, listen, get back there. Kind of that look. Check you up. Get up there. Boom. There you go. Kind of like that look. I actually like that. I may have just made up my mind. Yeah, maybe not. We'll see. Anyway, guys, that's what's up on the bench. This 56 Chevy Delray by Revell. And as usual, you know, I'll keep you posted as the build progresses, and we'll stay in touch. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. We'll talk soon. See ya.